Hey everyone, check out this cool new addition to our boat. This is a three-step ladder for our bass boat, and it's going to make getting in and out so much easier. So here's what you get in the box. It comes with a bag of all the nuts and bolts you need to install it, a steel plate for the main assembly, a long handlebar so you have something to hold on to while going up and down the steps, and of course, this is the three steps. By the way, everything is made of steel and the steps have a 400-pound capacity, so it's very strong and will be very durable. Okay, so I'm showing you my trailer and it actually swings to the left, which is usually fine, but with the steps on this side, it's going to hit. So see the bolt here? The bolt needs to be switched so the trailer can swing to the right instead. It's just a simple bolt removal, and then we'll just screw it in to the right side. So the bolts moved over to the right side, and now check it out. The trailer swings open all the way to the right without any problems. Now we'll go ahead and install the steps and then come back to demo it for you. Okay, the steps are now on and it was a pretty straightforward installation. We'll just show you what it looks like attached to the trailer. You can see that we can slide it and adjust the positioning so the top of the steps don't actually hit the front of the boat. Now the last thing we need to do is attach this handle. It will give us an extra grip when going up and down the steps. And by the way, I'm not sure if you can see it, but each step has a non-slip surface, which is very important because likely your shoes will be wet when going up and down the steps. Okay, so we're just about done, so let's go ahead and give these steps a try. The steps are made of steel and are very stable and sturdy, and the handle helps as well. If you need a solid set of steps for your trailer that you can easily install and even adjust the swing direction, this is a great option. They're durable and they make going in and out of the boat a breeze.